Hello, I'm Hugo Bugg, and I won the Young Designer of the Year competition at Tatton Park back in 2010. I had to actually look the date up because it's so long ago, and I hadn't realised how time flies. Um, I entered the competition with my first ever projects. So I studied garden design for a degree, thinking I can become a garden designer straight away. And then quite quickly I realised that seeing clients and showing them a paper portfolio, it wasn't helping me actually win work because they wanted to see finished projects and planting and my ability to deliver a garden. So I entered the Tatton Young Designer competition so that I could build and complete a garden really quickly, get it into my portfolio to help me show possible future clients. Um, and it turned out obviously really well for me, and I won the competition and got best in show as well, and my clients were really pleased, and I managed to show people that garden going forwards. The competition itself I think is really important, and it gave me a massive platform to kickstart my career. It was really important to help me get into the media. I had magazine articles afterwards, and I didn't realise at the time how sort of long that sort of the benefits of winning or even showcasing a garden, how long that would go on for, and it was quite a few years. Or even now I get people saying, oh, did you win that young designer competition? So the benefits of doing it have gone on for a long time. For me, it was a really important competition, and I'm really pleased I entered. And I think Tatton Flower Show is a fantastic show, some beautiful gardens and trade stands, and it was a really fun, enjoyable, couple of months of my life when I was living up there and camping up there, building that garden. So very fond memories. The other great thing about doing the show garden and winning that particular competition was also just recognition within the industry. That I didn't realise that was a thing, but suddenly when I was looking for quotations for materials and for plants and talking to organisations, more people had heard my name, and suddenly things did become easier. Equally, entering other competitions or other shows, so I did Hampton Court and Chelsea quite quickly after Tatton, was that again it was experience and an award to my name that helped me get into those next categories. So I did a conceptual garden at Hampton Court, and then I went on and did Chelsea Flower Show as well. I think having the experience at Tatton really put me in a good place to do further shows. Doing those shows again, there are more projects in the portfolio, a lot more press as you sort of start entering things like Chelsea and on TV as well. And that has really helped, again, increase the amount of projects and inquiries that I get. And then since doing those shows, I've joined partnership with Charlotte Harris, so we now run a joint studio called Harris Bugg Studio, and really enjoy just working on quite a wide range of work. So we've recently been doing the RHS garden at Bridgewater, and I hopefully, see, not opening this year, but hopefully it will do next year now. We're going to be at Chelsea Flower Show again next year with M&G, so really looking forward to showing people the garden that we were hoping to show this year. And then a wide range of projects, from working in master planning botanic gardens in Jordan to glass houses in Gothenburg to lots of nice private gardens dotted around the country, including near my home in Exeter in Devon. We do a wide range of work, and there's a nice little team of us across two studios, one in London and one in Exeter. And we have a really nice sort of environment where we all work together and all chip in. So it's a really nice place to be at the moment. Horticulture is such a fantastic industry to be in, and really like a wide industry too. And I think places like Chelsea, when you get there and you meet growers, you meet designers, you meet contractors, you suddenly realise the depth and the variety that's available if you wanted to start a career in horticulture. And for me, horticulture and the design industry is really important, and I love it. I just love really engaging with nature, improving green spaces, trying to design and build beautiful spaces for more people to enjoy, and having those moments of time, especially at times like this in like lockdown, being able to have access to nature and to green spaces and to get your hands dirty, however small that might be, like growing, I've got just strawberries in pots and in buckets and things because I'm in a small town garden. I found it really helpful to get through these times, and very fortunate to have a little green space. But even just going out and getting walks in the countryside, I find really rewarding. And yeah, I just love sort of seeing those wider landscapes, and they really inspire me in my design work too. But I think, so I obviously love the horticulture industry. I think it's fantastic, and we work with lots of amazing people. But I think I would definitely recommend it to anybody which is thinking about it. And I guess what I would say is experience, go and like talk to people, maybe do part-time jobs in nurseries, because you'll soon realise that it's not just gardening, not just landscaping. There's growers, there's propagators, there's scientific research elements, there's education. It is a vast industry, and I think it takes a little bit of time to maybe like find out what's available and what best suits you. And I think there's loads of courses out there, but I think I would definitely recommend it. I think it's a fantastic industry, and I love my job.